So I remember one day, one evening in 2008, a team of students who were studying in Muslim Association College of Engineering at Trivandrum came to my house. In fact, my son was also studying there. All these 7 friends of my son, they came to my house. Actually, they want to start a company, a startup company. No idea, no business plan, but a fire in the belly I could call. So they came to me, just asked me, sir, we want to start something of our own, start a company kind of a thing. I just asked them, what is your idea? No idea, sir. Then I asked them, can you prepare a business plan? Sorry, sir, we cannot. We don't know how to prepare the business plan. What are those things which is complementing in this business plan? What is the difference between a project report and a business plan kind of things? Then I told them, what we need to start a startup company is primarily we should have a technology idea. So go back, then you think of some good idea to start something. It can be a service idea, it can be a technology idea, it can be some innovation kind of things. So finally, then they went back. And I constantly inquiring with my son, what are they doing? And finally, after 7 or 8 months, he told me that they hired a house in Kunduguri, that is also near in the city of Trivandrum, and they started working on something. Then I asked them whether they had an idea, they got some projects kind of things. He told me, no, I don't know that. I don't know what are they doing now. And sometime after 2 years, it took 2 years for them to arrive at a good idea. Then they came back to me. They came to Technopark one day and met me in Technopark. Sir, we had some idea, and you please tell us how to go with this thing. Then I tell them that is good. So that is the first stage is the ideation stage. And if you are mature enough to start something of your own, then we have to start a company. We have to register a company. And they asked me which is the kind of company they can register with the ROC, Register of Companies. Then I told them it can be easily you can register a partnership company either, or you can start a private limited company. Then they went back. After some time, they told me, Anis, the CEO of the company, the leader of the team, actually I mean by that, he called me and told me that, sir, we registered a partnership firm, and we are starting with some local projects, local works we got. I told him that, okay, that is fine. And when you are prepared to come inside to Technopark, then you just come to me, meet me, and give an application for getting some space in the technology business incubator there. If we go to the policy of Government of Kerala and Government of India, Government of is telling that 7 years is the maximum maturity period of a company, of a startup company. And normally the students come to this startup area. Normally they will take 5 to 7 years to make the company a success. And I feel that the Livares, the history of Livares is 100% successful, and that is only because of their perseverance, their habit of resilience. Whenever they feel that there is a failure comes to their product or service, then they will come back. They will again and redo everything, and it is a kind of bouncing back. And finally, they are very much successful, and only because of that they could occupy some space in Technopark. I wish the Team Livares a wonderful year ahead, and I presume that they will become a 100-team company, a 100-member company in the coming 1 to 2 years. And I wish them to take more space. Instead of the 2,000 square feet space, I pray to God to help them to acquire 20,000 square feet in Space 3 of Technopark. That is the same building, that Emina building. Wish you all the best.